friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Web. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Web, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn about a framework, LWC, a class trigger, visual force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to navigate record relationship page in LWC component. So first, I will create a LWC component, name it navigation page LWC. So friends, navigation page LWC component, I already created in the previous lesson. So in this lesson, we will be using same LWC component. Then we will create a button. On button click, it will be navigate to related contact record of account in Salesforce. Here we will be using navigation mixing service library to navigate related contact of associated account in LWC component. So friends, after click the button, it will be automatically navigate to the related contact of associated account. So now let me go on the VS Code where we will be learn step by step how to create a function and how to navigate after click the button to the related contact of associated account. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my VS Code. In the VS Code, I already created navigation page LWC component. This component I created in the previous lesson. So friends, in this lesson, we are using same LWC component. So in this lesson, we are learning about how to navigate record relationship page in Salesforce LWC. So first, I will create another one section. So section for creating a record relationship page. So copy the comment. Here I am creating another one section for the navigation for relationship page. Navigate to record relationship page. So here I am creating another one section for record relationship page. Then I will create a lightning card. So here I am copying the lightning card from here and pasting after the section. First I will be change the title. The title will be navigate to record relationship page. Record relationship. So first I change the title. Then I created a table. In the table there are two columns. First column will be display as a reference. So this function is using for the after click the button, it will be navigate to the record relationship page. So here I will be change record relationship page. This is a title section, and in the second TD I created a button. So in this button, variant are same, label will be changed, navigate to record relationship. And there is a on click method function. So I will change the function name action to navigate record relationship. Action to navigate record relationship. Then save the file. So in this section, I created a lightning card. First, I defined title. Then created a table. In the table, created two TD. First TD, I pass a description like a title. And in the second TD, I am creating a button. Once click on the button, there is a function. This function will be passed. So this function will be created in the JavaScript. After click the button, this page automatically navigate to the record relationship page in Salesforce. So now I am copying the method. Go to the JavaScript. So below the navigation to custom type, I am creating another one section. Navigate to record relationship page. Navigate to record relationship page. and I will create a function. This is the name of the function. So this function method coming from the button from here. Now inside the function method, I will be use reference property. So reference property will be copy from here and paste. So I will be change necessary attributes value here. So first I will be change the attribute type. Type will be a standard instead of the record page. I will be change record relationship page. So record relationship page. Then I will be change in the attributes. In the attribute there will be record ID. Then object API name that will be account same. And here I will be add another one attributes property relationship API name. Relationship API name and relationship API name will be context because here I will be navigate to the associate contact of account. Context it is a child relationship between account and contact and action name will be view. So here I am passing record ID of account ID of here I created a at that API. This is a account ID. So if you go to the Salesforce, there is a account. Open any of the record of account. Now let's open a record of take W3 web of account. Go to the related tab. Here you can see there is one contact associated to this account. So whenever click on the button, we will be navigate to the related contact of account. So if you opening the contact, this is a visit W3 web. This is a contact. This contact is associated to the account of take W3 web. So go back. There is a account. This account associated one contact. I will be navigate contact detail page that is associated to the account. So here I am copying the account ID of account. Go to the VS Code. I created a API decorator variable. I am passing the account ID and this decorator variable I am passing to the in the attribute part on the function here. So friends, in this function, I am passing the navigation mixing. This is a common. Then I am passing a type attribute. In the type property attribute, I am passing the record relationship page. Then attribute. In the attribute, I am passing the record ID. Record ID, that means which account of record ID associated to the contact will be navigate. Then object API name, it is a account. Then relationship API name. So contact it is a relationship between account and contact. So this is a child API name. Then action name. So action name it will be view mode. So now save the both of the file. So this is a typing mistake. Relationship RELATION relationship. Save the component and save the JavaScript as well. Now let's deploy both of the file to the Salesforce. Right click and this is the option deploy the source to org. File has been deployed successfully in the Salesforce. Now go to the browser. This is a custom app where I call the component of LWC. Refresh the page. You can see my newly created section display here. Navigate to record relationship page. So whenever click on the button, it will be automatically navigate to the associated contact of account. So now let's click on the button. Page does not exist. Let me check VS Code. So go to the VS Code. Let me check the code. Record relationship page, attributes. Here I'm passing the ID. This is a account object. this is a relationship context. So here I need to pass not a record relationship, only pass the relationship API, not record relationship API. Only pass the attribute relationship API. Now save the file once again and deploy to Salesforce. Page has been deployed successfully. Now go to the browser and refresh once again. Now let me click once again. So after click the button, this page automatically navigate to the related contact of the account. So now let's click. It is a display error. Now let me clear the cache and cookie and refresh the page. Now let me click once again. You can see it is automatically navigate to the related contact of account. If I am opening the contact via W3 Web, this contact is associated to the particular this account. Take W3 Web. In the VS Code, I mentioning this ID of the account. So this ID account, if you go to the related tab, there is a one contact associated to this account. So friends, after click the button, it is automatically navigate to the associate contact to the account. So try to do from your side in your personal org. If you're getting any kind of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.